I got a confession to make, and it's really not a good one. I've been having writer's block for like the last 3 months, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I have music recorded, I have music that's laid out, ready to be mixed and mastered to be released, but I just feel like I've been dealing with so much that I haven't really been able to really focus on the music as the way I would normally do before my writer's block. But I'm actually making this video just to share a little story with you guys that as an independent artist, that is normal for you to have, especially when you have so much things going on in your life, whether you're taking care of your kids, whether you are working a job, or whether you're in school, or whether you just have another hobby that you're working on in your life. But this is just my personal story on what's going on with me and why I haven't released music well over, I would say, about a year. But I have been writing music, I have been recording music, I just haven't released it yet, and that's for my own personal reason. I actually been doing YouTube more, but I just want to let you guys know, as an independent artist, there are many ways for you to get over that writer's block, whether it's listening to one of your favorite artists, or whether it's you going somewhere that you haven't been yet to get that inspiration. I find that it's very strategic to go places that you haven't been or seen, just to open and stimulate your mind so that you're able to have those creative thoughts coming through. And for me personally, I've been realizing that sometimes I just need to go somewhere where it's quiet, or I need to go somewhere where there's something that I haven't seen before. So that's why I mentioned that. And for me, I think that the biggest challenge has been just sitting back and realizing that I'm not on a time schedule. Music is endless. Most music listeners would say music is endless. I don't think that some of the major hits that have or is being released as of today has been written or wrote in a day. It's cool to hear somebody like, yeah, I wrote that yesterday, but realistically, that song is something that probably was just freestyled or something like that, and they just put it together. But for me personally, I'm a writer. So if you are a writer, or you know anybody that writes, just, you can give them the advice like, hey, try something different. Don't beat yourself up because you haven't been able to really get over that threshold of writing a new song, or you're stuck on one particular song and you just don't know exactly what to do. For me, what I would do is come back to it, let that song breathe, come up with a different melody on a different song, because the thing about it, where you once were when you were writing or recording that song, you're going to be in a different place when you come back to it. And that can either be a good thing or that can be a bad thing. But the whole sole purpose of you doing that is to be able to have that expression and that creativity flowing as if it never stopped. So, if you guys are wondering exactly when I'm planning on releasing new music, I have some new music coming in July for you guys, as well as video. Be sure to check out all my other videos that I have, music videos that I'll be sure to, tag in the video so you guys can check them out. If you haven't yet, be sure to follow me on Spotify. Follow me on Apple Music if it's possible. I'm not sure if they have a subscription where you can follow artists, but if they do, check it out. And this video is just a little update to give you guys an insight of what I have to come. I hope that you guys are still staying tuned in and watching all my videos as I release them. I appreciate all the likes, comments. As far as subscribers, thank you guys so much. And with that being said, like I said, don't give up on anything that you have going on, especially when it comes down to this music. As a musician or as an artist, I know it can be difficult when you're trying to work jobs, go to school, take care of your kids. But I just want to let you guys know anything is possible, and you shouldn't give up, because one day you're going to be where you want to be, and you're going to look back at that moment when you said, I should just give up. Don't give up. Keep pushing, keep rapping, keep singing, keep going harder than ever. Don't let anything stop you. Don't let anybody tell you you can't, because this, that, or the third. Obstacles are meant to be put in your way for you to challenge yourself and for you to overcome the challenge so that you can understand what you have created in your life. And I think that a lot of people have realized this, and that's why so many people in today's society is very successful, because they put everything that they have into their craft, their creation, their artistry, and they just made it what it is. So I just want to let you guys know that. And if you guys have any comments, or you have any things that you would like to discuss as an independent artist, I'm here. I will be making videos on how to upload music, as well as just start a fan base for yourself and just get it kick-started. I have a lot of friends that are lost as far as where do I go or how do I start. And I figured I should just bring that to them. So if you guys want some type of information, or if there's any question that you guys want to ask me, whether it's distributing your music or how to promote your music, I will be making videos on that subject and that matter. So with that being said, be sure to stay tuned in, like, subscribe, turn on post notification. Yeah.